Hello, my name is Mrs. Gooch, and today we're going to learn about email etiquette. A critical concept for your email is the learners need to follow ethical and legal guidelines for gathering and using information by responsibly applying information, technology, and media to learning. Some important things during this learning session: have a charged and updated device, know your email address, know how to locate the email app and student portal, and join the Media Center Schoology course. Part of the lessons today will cover things like how to locate the email on the iPad, writing down your email and keeping it in a safe location, things to include in an email, the tone of an email, and of course, email safety. So where is the email on the iPad? Last year, the email looked like an envelope at the bottom. This year, you're going to have to access it a different way. You can either go through the CPS staff and student portal, log in, and look for popular links at the top to access your email, or the easiest way is to go in through ClassLink and access your email there. What is your student email? Your email is your username at stu.cpsk12.org. Please be sure and write it in a safe place. And keep in mind, you can only send and receive emails to other CPS emails. You're unable to send or receive emails from things like Yahoo, Google, or Hotmail. Emails should have three components, such as a greeting like hello, the body of the email, which is discussing the question or answer or information you want to share, and ending an email with a signature such as thanks or have a great day. Here's an example of an email that Harry Potter might write to Mr. Voldemort. Email safety: keep in mind, don't give out personal information like address, phone number, and passwords. And don't send pictures of classmates, teachers, or real people. Always ask yourself, do I need this in an email? Will it hurt someone? Could I get in trouble? Also, please watch the tone of your email. For example, all caps shows strong emotion. And check your spelling and punctuation. Don't abuse your email. Email is not a way to talk with your friends while in class. The email belongs to CPS, and all emails, new, old, and deleted, can be checked. Be very careful with your comments and make sure you don't email when you're angry. Now that you've learned email etiquette, you can practice. Find the email address of someone you dealt with last year. Send them an email, ask how they're doing, share something you did this summer, and wish them a good luck for the 2021 school year. Thanks for learning about email etiquette.